We were searching around for advice and trying to figure out the most efficient way to get this project done. We heard from not only our steel supplier but from other individuals that if you want the job done right, and even I've heard a quote that if you want the job done in half the time with half the guys, that you select Northern Industrial.
For 25 years, Northern Industrial Erectors has been a leader in the construction industry. From project management and steel erection to facility and building maintenance, retrofit, and Millwright Services.
NIE's reputation as an erector is one that has spanned 20 years working in northern Minnesota and across the country.
We've got a massive amount of knowledge and experience coupled with today's cutting edge, trying to get things done faster and cheaper for the owner.
As a benefit for NIE is that they are proactive. They confront problems ahead of time before they happen.
We've been impressed from the start with the process with which they move their work through the field. It's more of an assembly line than a simple erection process. The hook never comes down from that crane without a piece being sitting there ready to hook right back up.
North of Minneapolis, they're the only AISC certified erector up here that we have.
They're very experienced. They can come in and work with a company like us. We're a very dynamic company, and they can come in and adapt to our ways and execute the way that we want them to execute. NIE brings talent in their workforce. They've got some of the best people that I've ever worked with.
Their core competencies are among the best of any contractor that JDI has worked with in the 250 years of experience that our leadership team has in this industry.
Dealing with someone like Derek, I feel that he has that same approach to things. When he says he's going to do something, they make sure they do it.
It's not so much knowing how to solve the problem, it's being able to work with everybody else to solve the problem. We're dealing with engineers, we're dealing with multiple fabricators, we're dealing with multiple contractors. So to put all your heads together to anticipate all the moves and to schedule everything just for all the coordination to make sure everything comes together at the correct time is the most important part of this project.
That's a strength of NIE, is that Derek started from the very bottom. He's got that valuable information that he's taken with him to the office, and that makes him a much better and smarter project manager.
We don't have to worry that at the end of the job there's going to be a lot of surprises. To me, in the contracting business, that's what integrity is all about.
There's a second level to that relationship, and that's gaining their confidence in A, that you can do the work, and B, your honesty to them as people to people.